Hey gang. So today we are going to be trying out some new makeup from a new beauty brand by the name of IL MAKIAGE. They were kind enough to gift me with a $300 gift card to shop on the site and basically pick out whatever makeup that I wanted to try out. This is not a sponsored video, so I'm not getting paid to say that I like anything about the products. I'm literally going to be giving you my first real impressions of each of these products that I picked out myself without having any contact with the company, okay? So this is the box. It is huge, and before I start applying everything, I literally need to show you the packaging, because this is like some badass packaging. Like, oh my god, this is a high-end brand if you were wondering, and the packaging is so sleek but still badass. Like the messages on everything, I'm about to show you. So this is one of the packages that came inside of the box, and it says minimalism is dead. So you have this black packaging that's really shiny, and this is the second one that says more is more. Inside both of these packages you get a box like this that says IL MAKIAGE New York, and as you can see, it is just so sleek and it definitely looks high-end. So this is what it looks like. I already unboxed it on Snapchat, so if you aren't following me, please do so. I will have the information down below. So first we're going to be starting off with the Color Boss Pro palette, which is 12 dimensional eye colors, and this is the Ready or Not 997 palette. This is what the cover looks like. It's very easy to take off. Look, it does all these folds, and it is magnetic, so you can pull it off if you like to make it easier, and you just put that back on when you're done. So this is what the palette looks like, very sleek. So each pan is 0.08 ounces in size. The color names are actually in the back. I do wish that they would have put the colors on the front, because there is definitely enough room for that. Today I'm gonna start with this color right here. So we're gonna start with that because it's like a brown, and I can use that as my transition color. So right off the bat, it is soft. I feel like I am having to dip the brush back in a few times before I could see any color payoff. So it is buildable. And the fallout is very minimal on the palette. As you can see, it's just a little bit of fallout. I'm gonna go in with this purple right here. I'm just gonna add this right here to the crease and the outer V. So now I'm gonna go in with this color right here, which is like an icy iridescent color, and I'm gonna apply that to the lid. Ooh, that is gorgeous. Oh, that color is so pretty. I'm gonna go in with the color Mood, and I'm gonna use that right here under my brow bone. And that is gorgeous, and it's blending so nicely in with the other colors. Like, just gorgeous. Okay, I'm so glad I got this palette, because I was able to come up with a look that I normally would not go for. So I also got 3 shadows, and before I take the shadow out of the packaging, I just have to show y'all the packaging because it's just too fire. Look how it opens. Tell me that's not fire. Tell me that's not fire. Okay, and then again, like I said, the packaging definitely is reminiscent of the Makeup Geek shadows. It definitely looks like the Makeup Geek symbol, but it opens like, it's just so high end, it's not even funny. I got 3 of these. I got like a red, I got like a champagne color, and then I have like a bronzy color. Look at that, that's gorgeous. I did get an ink liner in black, so I'm gonna line my eyes. And I think the ink liner is really nice. Yeah, it's very precise. It's like a pen. has a very sharp tip. Not sharp as in cut you, but sharp as in you could get a very thin line or you could get a thick line. Off camera, I apply my Prime Luxe lashes in amber. Okay, so I added like a lavender liner down here as a base. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this color right here, which is like a shimmery lavender color called Alter Ego. And I'm just going to apply that right over it. Now I'm going to use the IL Makiage Longwear Eye Pencil in Batman, which is just black. And it is so soft and smooth. So I added mascara to my bottom lashes and I'm just loving this look so far. So now we're gonna go in with the Color Boss eyeshadow in Sorry Not Sorry. And I'm just gonna apply that to my tear ducts. Look how beautiful that is. Oh my god, it just opened up the eye so much. Like, I'm just loving this look so far. Okay, so finally a makeup look that I feel like is going somewhere. All right, so now I'm gonna use the other Color Boss eyeshadow in Eyes on the Prize, and I'm gonna use that to highlight today. So I'm gonna go down my nose right here. Oh, that is gorgeous. Look how pretty that is. Ooh, that's gorgeous. It's very, very bronzy. And it's mad pigmented. Like, you know it's pigmented because I'm using it as a highlighter right now and you can actually see it. I love that the eyeshadows are pigmented but yet buildable. So you can start off with a soft, you know, look, and then you can just apply it until you get the payoff that you like. So I really love that. So while my face dries down, because I did just set it, I'm going to be swatching these two colors to see which one I want to wear today. So the packaging, first off, is phenomenal. Okay, this is just as high end as it gets. Like, a lot of times you get a high end name brand that wants to sell their product for a certain price, but then the packaging does not match. But however, the packaging on this is ridiculous. First of all, this is glass. Secondly, it has like a beautiful like ombre. This is the most beautiful packaging like probably ever, in my opinion. This is just gorgeous, and you see a little bit of what the color is down here. Okay, so these are the IL Makiage Infinity Longwear Matte Lip Creams, and this one is in the color Matte Rebel, and I'm just gonna swatch it right here. And it's like a grayish purpley color. Now that would probably definitely go with this look today, but I'm still not sure what I want to go with. That's very, very pretty. And this one is in the color Matte Storm, which I believe is a deep brown. Okay, it's a deep chocolate brown. So because it's full, I definitely think I want to go with the deep chocolate brown today, and maybe even put this in the center. So I'm gonna use both. So I'm gonna start off with the Infinity Longwear Matte Lip Cream in Matte Storm. I'm gonna add the Matte Rebel to the middle. Super creamy and very, very comfortable on the lips so far, and I think it is drying down so nicely. So this is the final look, and VANGANG. This lippy is on fucking point. This is my favorite lippy. Literally, I can say that right now. This is my favorite liquid lipstick formula. It is so comfortable. It does have like very, very light transfer. Other liquid lipsticks, they be so matte and they don't transfer, but they start crumbling on your lips. This one is super comfortable. It is so comfortable. It just feels like, oh, it's just, oh, it feels like butter. It's just so comfortable. I would definitely recommend it. As far as this makeup look, girl, this has to be my favorite makeup look that I've done on myself all year. I went out the box, and even though it's not super duper vibrant, I feel like it's full appropriate, and it's makeup friendly. It's makeup beginner friendly, as well as still something that pops, okay? My makeup today is slayed. I absolutely love all the products that I have tried. The ink liner, it went on amazing. Like, my wing is looking better than it has looked in a very, very long time, and it was very easy. Like, it was so easy. It just glided on, and it was just, the point was very pointy, so I was able to get it precise, you know. So I really like that. The gel liner is so comfortable on my waterline. Eyeshadows, I just love the fact that they go on very, very soft. I was able to blend it and build the color up to the intensity that I liked, and I really appreciate that. The shadows, the single shadows are so pigmented, the same exact quality as this beautiful palette. Same exact quality. And so pigmented that I was able to use it as a highlighter today, and I just love how bronzy and beautiful it is, and I love the fact that I was able to use colors that I normally would not go for. And again, the liquid lipsticks are probably my favorite item that I have tried out of this whole entire haul, and I think I would put it hand in hand with the eyeshadows, because I'm very, very impressed with the eyeshadows. Like, I have no cons for you today in this video, because I'm absolutely in love with everything. The fallout wasn't too much. Like, I can rave on and on about this makeup line. The packaging, just everything about it is so professional and just beyond amazing. So I would definitely recommend this company. I'm definitely going to be trying out some more products you know, that I buy myself, because I believe in this brand. I honestly think that they did not come to play, and they have 50 foundation shades. I'm sorry I wasn't able to try out one, but I only had $300 to shop on the site, and I really wanted to try the eyeshadows more than I wanted to try the foundation. So I went more with products for the eyes, and of course I wanted to try these liquid lipsticks, and I knew I wanted more than one, so yeah. Maybe next time I'll try the foundation out, and they do have a store located in New York City, so maybe I'll go. I think it's in Soho, so maybe I'll go to the store and try out the foundation. The foundation has a bomb ass packaging as well. Again, 50 shades means they have a great range, and this is a new brand, so that is just so impressive that they will come out with this just bomb packaging, bomb branding, bomb freaking quality formulas. Like, I'm just so impressed, and I'm sorry I'm rambling, but I'm just so happy with this makeup look. I mean, it's not like it's so dramatic, but it's just gorgeous in my opinion. So let me know if y'all if you have tried IL Makiage products. Let me know if you want to try IL Makiage products, and if you do, what will you be trying? That is all for this review. I hope you enjoyed, and I will have links down in the bottom bar for you. Thank you so much to IL Makiage for kindly giving me the $300 gift card to shop on your site. I'm so impressed with the products. I'm in love with the products, girls. Do y'all see this makeup look though? Do y'all see my makeup though? Alright, gang, gang. I will speak to you in my next video. Don't forget to thumbs this video up, comment, subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're notified whenever I have a new upload. I will speak to you in my next video.